one of the reasons why the demand curve slopes downward is, according to Alfred Marshall, the reason lies with law of diminishing marginal utility. Well, according to Alfred Marshall, he believes that the demand curves slopes downward because of law of diminishing marginal utility. What does this law of diminishing marginal utility says? With the repeated consumption of a same commodity, the marginal utility derived from them is keep on decreasing. So the higher the repeated consumption of a specific commodity, the lesser will be its satisfaction level, utility level. Marginal utility will be there. I'll explain you how this effect works with an example. Let's say I buy a commodity at 10 rupees and I get 10 units of satisfaction from them. So what do I understand? 1 unit of satisfaction for 1 rupee. Now if I go for the repeated consumption of the same commodity, now in 10 rupees I only will get 8 units of marginal utility or satisfaction level. So what do I understand now? My satisfaction level is going down, but my price remains same. So with the third consumption, I buy the same product at 10 rupees, but my satisfaction is only of 5 units. So marginal utility is only of 5 units. So what do I understand? As the consumption increases, my marginal utility derived from consumption of the same product decreases. Now with the third consumption, what do I understand? That I only get 5 units of satisfaction from 10 rupees. So I started seeing the amount of satisfaction I get against the money I am paying is reducing. So with the repeated consumption, there is a less tendency to buy more if the price is set. Why? When I compare this satisfaction level with the price, I see prices going higher per unit consumption. So if in this case, what happens if the price of a commodity goes down and comes to, let's say, 5 rupees, I again get the same satisfaction level because 1 unit of satisfaction at 1 rupees. So there are likely chances that consumer will be happy to buy the repeated products. So which will not be the case when the price remains same. So what happens if price reduces, consumer tend to buy more because per unit satisfaction per rupee spent is reduced. And hence, there are tendency to buy more product and satisfy the wants. Even the marginal utility is going down. So with lesser amount of prices, even though the marginal utility is going down, but utility or satisfaction per rupee spent is almost same or probably increasing, and hence consumer demands more. Hence, according to Alfred Marshall, law of diminishing marginal utilities is important reason which gives us the demand effect or the demand curve sloping downward.